Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making concoction rice. Concoction rice. Concoction jollof. I'm using Mama's Pride. I've never used this. It came in a gift pack. It came in a gift pack from Tasty Tom. So I'm going to try using it today. As usual, if you're using rice that you're not sure of, please do not add too much water. It's better for your rice to be strong and you add water than for it to be too soft and you can't salvage it. So this concoction rice is straight simple. We're frying onions inside palm oil, and then I blended peppers and onions, and then I added inside. I'm going to mix it. Fried, where? You know this rice that you make when you're just hungry, there's no time. There's just no time. You just want to eat. So that's what's happening right now, this concoction rice. I've just fried this, and then I'm going to add tasty Thompson tomato just for a bit of redness and to balance out the pepper so that other people in this house can eat it, so that it's not just my food. So I'm going to mix this very well and then fry again. As I said, this concoction rice, no long story. You just mix everything in your fridge and hope that it comes out nice. You just mix it all in, just throw it into one pan jollof. So I'm going to mix this in and fry it pretty basic, and then I'm going to season. I'm seasoning with cubes, of course, seasoning cubes. We're going to put soy sauce, we're going to put curry, we're going to put a bit of thyme, and then garlic and onions again. So that's basically what's happening. A bit of salt as well because there's no stock. And I'm going to use what do you call it? I'm using dried fish. I just washed dried fish and I dumped in there, and then we're going to put in our parboiled Mama's Pride. I hope I got that right. Yes, our parboiled Mama's Pride. And so our concoction is almost ready. So we're going to mix this in, make sure that everything is well incorporated. Make sure everything is well incorporated and to taste, and you are done. Drop a few onions at the top if you will, like I am. Cover it, let it steam, and you're good to go. If you're using smoked fish like I did and it's strong and you didn't allow it steam, you need to let it steam. So I was in a hurry. I went out and I came back. By the time I got back, the rice was done. So I popped in a few bits of carrots, and this is our concoction rice. Hit the subscribe button, guys. I love you. Please concoct something and send me a picture.